This is method 2 on how you can transfer your chords to other keys. So the first method we've done is using the keys. Remember, I did that carefully. Then the next one is giving each of the keys number. So let's go to C. By now, I'm very sure you are very good in playing scale. So remember, we are still using the same song, Yeshua. So which are chord 6. Now, instead of giving each of your chords letters, you can give them numbers. So first, if you play the scale of C, C is 1, D is 2, E is 3, F is 4, G is 5, A is 6, and B is 7. And back to 1 again. We already have the number on the key of C. So chord 6, the number will be what? 3, 6, back 1 again. Because this is back talking about C again. So 3, 6, 1. Okay, chord 4 will be 4, 6, 1 again. Okay, chord 1 will be what? 3, 5, 1. Then chord 5 will be what? 2, 5, 7. Don't forget those numbers. So let's pick a strange key. Let's take a key, for example, E flat. So let's play the scale of E flat major. Let's play E flat major scale. E flat major scale will be this. Give its number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Then you go back 7, 6, and so on. So don't take note of those numbers. The first chord we play on 6 is what? We played 3, 6, 1. So let's go to chord the key of E flat major. You see the same shape. Look at it. 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and 1. If you go to 4, you're going to be what? 1, 2, 3, 4. You see that? Then 6 and 1. If you go to 1, 1, 2, 3, exactly the same shape, the same finger position, and the same shape of your finger. So count it 1, 2, 3. You see that 3, 4, 5. You see that 5, and back to 1 again. Then 5. You see that 1, 2. You see that's finger 2. The same way we did it on C. 2, 5, 7. Look at it. E flat 2, 5, 7. You see that? That's another way you can take it round other keys or around the 12 keys. Let's pick another key on that same using numbers. So let's pick A flat. Right. You're going to watch my video, which I did all 12 keys. I did exercises around all 12 keys. So you also watch that to understand it more. So A flat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. You go back the same way. For 6, remember it is what? 3, 6, 1. So let's go to A flat. So where is 6? This is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 3. Where's 3? This is 3. Then this is 1. You see the same shape of your finger. So if you go to 4, the same shape of your finger. If you go to 5, the same shape, and back to 1. You see? That is it. That's how you can do it using number. Method 3 on how you can transfer chord inversion around all 12 keys is using software notation. There's something you've done in your fundamental class like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Yes, we need that now. Let's go to the key of C. Instead of we giving the scale of C numbers, now we are going to sing it in software notation. C. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Chord 6. So these are the 3 notes that form chord 6. So what are the software notation that make up chord 6 is what? Mi, la, do. Did you hear that? Mi, la, do. Then to 4, fa, la, do. Then 1, mi, so, do. See? Then chord 5, re, so, ti. Good. Let's look for another strange key, B flat. Let's play the scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. What is the sound or the software notation of chord 6 is what? Mi, la, do. So let's go. Do, re, mi, oh, mi. This is your mi. Where is La? Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. Oh, this is La. Then where is Do? Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Oh, this Do. So Mi, La, Do. See? The same finger number again. Well, you can decide to use another finger if you feel like. It's still good, but I would like to use the same shape so that what I'm explaining will be clear enough to you. So Mi, La, Do. You see that? That is it. Then what's the next one? Which is Fa, La, Do. So let's go. Do, Re, Mi, Fa. Oh, La, Do. Oh. You see Fa, La, Do. The next one. Mi, So, Do. You see that? It's just closer. And what? Re, So, Ti. So you can also use that to also get the chord. So Mi, La, Do. Fa, La, Do. Mi, So, Do. Re, So, Ti. Mi, La, Do. Fa, La, Do. Mi, So, Do. Re, So, Ti. You can see that now. That is another method you can use to transfer this inversion around the 12 keys.